GoSpace SuperCharger, the one which solves all your file transfer and fast charging needs. SuperCharger provides you a convenience way. You don't need other devices to use your adapter and transfer data. Just transferring data by one device. GoSpace SuperCharger. You could edit your stuff on your electronic device by any time and anywhere you like. Use it when needed. GoSpace SuperCharger. Not just a card adapter, not a normal charger. It could also be a super power bank. Large MAH that could support your life. SuperCharger also supports the latest power delivery, fast charging technology. You can charge your laptop and mobile devices at the same time, which can support new MacBook. All your device needed is GoSpace SuperCharger. GoSpace provides you all the adapters for different countries. Just one move and 1 second to switch the adapters you need. Just pick the one you need and you are ready to go. Our multi-protection safety system will make you feel safe to bring GoSpace SuperCharger out. All you need is just one device and go.
Well, crap. No way around it. This sucks. But it's not the end of the world, because I got this little thing. Patch and Ride. It's a new tool that makes having a flat tire suck way less. It's a quick and permanent solution to fix just about any flat. And here's the real kicker. You don't even have to take off the wheel. I used to be just like you, shelling out big bucks for tubes and tires regardless of how bad the damage was. Occasionally, I'd even try it on my own. Maybe you do too if you're into that whole self-punishment thing. Not the cleanest job in the world either. Basically, I murdered my bike. Let me show you how it works. Remove the cap from the Patch and Ride tool. Insert it directly into the hole. Pull back the slider, then push forward. Remove the tool. Then pump your tire full of air, and you're up and running. Or rolling. And Patch and Ride works for all types of tires. Road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, kids bikes, clencher and tubular tubes, even jogging stroller tires. Pretty much anything with an inner tube. Patch and Ride's cleaner for the environment too. With Patch and Ride, you reduce your carbon footprint by patching instead of tossing. That's pretty great. Getting a flat tire sucks, but Patch and Ride makes it suck less. Patch and Ride.
This is Jane. Say hi, Jane.
Oh, hi.
She's a baker, and a wife, and a dog owner, but not yet a mother. Kind of. But it's hard. Do you know that 6.1 million women in the United States have a hard time getting pregnant? One study claims that most couples have sex about 104 times before seeing a positive pregnancy test. Jane is one of those people. So she keeps baking, and baking, and baking, waiting on her own bun in her own oven. Well, Jane, you're not alone. Jane, meet Keg. Keg, meet Jane. Keg is the convenient and accurate solution to pinpoint your fertility window and ovulation up to 7 days in advance. Understanding your fertility window makes you 4 times more likely to conceive. What's that, Jane? How, you ask? Your body knows when you're fertile. It's up to you to know what to measure and when. That's where Keg comes in. Keg uses advanced sensor technology to measure electrochemical properties of cervical mucus, which dictates your fertility window and ovulation time. Your body needs just the right amount of cervical mucus to make a baby. Do you know that most babies are made from sperm that enters the body days before ovulation? That's when the cervical fluid is optimal. You can use Keg in the comfort of your own home. And bonus, it doubles as a Kegel trainer. For women who want more insight and control over their bodies, Keg is the guide that gives you the information you need when you're ready for that baby. Back our campaign today and help women everywhere experience stress-free fertility planning.
Imagine anyone can install a smart door lock with just one screwdriver. And you have a worry-free door lock that can automatically lock your door right after it's been opened. That's what Fido offers you, and much more. With Fido, your finger is your key, avoiding all the hassle of trying to find your misplaced keys. Fido is designed to be a highly secure and smart lock. It recognizes the door's open status according to the rotation angle of the handle. When Fido determines that the door is open, it automatically locks the door and keeps unwanted followers outside. If the door lock is vandalized, you will be notified remotely, and the alarm will be triggered immediately. The simple and cable-free design allows it to be installed in just 15 minutes on both left and right-facing doors. On your Fido app, you can share the unlocking authority with different users remotely and set the time window for unlocking. Fido records the door opening information in real time and pushes it to the administrator, so you know all historical operation records at any time, anywhere. For the elderly and children with unstable fingerprints, we have designed a dime-sized inductive door card for using with Fido, or easily activate the lock by Bluetooth. Combining the ergonomic design of the handle and unique fingerprint recognition, Fido offers the most comfortable unlocking experience. It takes only 1 second to open the door. With 128-bit AES encryption, Fido effectively prevents counterfeiting and protects your privacy. Fido is designed by a Red Dot award-winning team, a great interpretation of technology and minimalism. With super low power consumption, Fido can work for 1 year with just 2 AAA batteries. It alerts you when the battery is lower than the warning line.
When it comes to portable chargers, there are many options. How do you know which one to pick? Here are some that can fit in my pocket. And here are some models that can keep my phone charged for at least a couple of days. And this is the SuperMini by Zendure. SuperMini is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger, delivering enough charge capacity to keep you going in a package that's small enough you can take anywhere. By the way, we're doing something a little different with this crowdfunding campaign. More on that later. SuperMini's cutting-edge, high-density power cells pack more energy in a smaller space. SuperMini's USB-C port offers 18-watt power delivery, input and output capability, cutting charging time by up to 44%. SuperMini itself only needs about 3 hours to get a full recharge, while the USB-A port features 18-watt Zen Plus 2.0 technology with adaptive quick charge, taking advantage of rapid charging capabilities of compatible QC 3.0 devices. SuperMini also supports pass-through charging technology. Of course, appearances matter too. That's why SuperMini comes in 3 different varieties to suit your personal style, including Blue Horizon. If you pre-order SuperMini right now, you can save up to 51% off the expected retail price. Each SuperMini comes with a USB-A and USB-C combo cable, plus a 2-year warranty from Zendure. Like I said before, we're doing things a little differently. We're putting our backers in the driver's seat of an interactive campaign unlike anything seen before. Order today and keep an eye out for updates in the coming weeks to join in. Yes, there's a lot of options for portable chargers, but it's not a hard decision. Get charged, get going. SuperMini from Zendure.
One more, please.
Be extremely careful with this egg. We'll take it back to the lab and then we'll hatch it. So all we have to do is go through.
Can you give me the wrench? Just toss it up here.